Hey there, it's Jesse again. Reaching out to you today to talk to you about an opportunity at 5423 West Wilson Street in Chicago, Illinois. This is the Portage Park area. It's on the north end of Portage Park, just south of Jefferson Park. And what I want to talk to you today about is the opportunity to buy a property that's distressed and definitely needs work, is not move-in ready, but how you can leverage my renovation program to design it the way you want and then bring it up to current standards to other comparables in the market. And what we would recommend would be to actually add a second unit above. So what we're going to do is show you some pictures, show you the area, and talk about how a renovation could create a lot of opportunity, but also design a home that would meet your needs. Okay, we have the property here at 5423 West Wilson Avenue in Chicago. You can see we're just right here on a Redfin website. We're going to look at the photos first and then look at some of the details. Okay, so here is the front of the property, and you can tell boarded up window, missing windows, soffit, gutters, all look in pretty bad shape, overgrown yard over here. You go to the back, some more plywood, uh, siding's in bad shape, garage peeling paint, doors not shut, probably says broken, guessing needs a new roof. And then, of course, you get inside, and this is basically a gut job. Flooring's an issue, ceiling's an issue. This thing is in bad shape. We have an unfinished basement, radiators even pulled aside, and then probably every wall and every floor in this property is going to need to be touched, right? So so it's a major project, but it's only listed for 269. It's a four-bedroom, two-bath, 2,500 square feet home currently. And what we're recommending, we'll get to the comparables in a minute, would be to add a second story to this property. I know I said two unit in the intro. I did not mean a two unit. I mean a two level, so a two-story property. So this is being sold as is, of course. They just want to sell this, and that's why you're getting it at a markdown. Now, we talked about the area. Let me see if I can zoom out. Sorry about that. I don't have my uh, other notifications on silent. So here's Portage Park, and then you got Jefferson Park up here, and then Albany Park. So this is right at the split between 90 and 94. Great location. Now, we're going to go to some estimates for you. So if you add a level, a four-bedroom, two-bath, current price is two. It says this is actually a little bit old. They just reduced it to 269. You'd need roughly about 367 to do a complete gut and to add the second story, but we're estimating the future value to be around 710,000. So that would create instant equity of about 64,000. So this is a great opportunity. And you're asking, where do we come up with these numbers, right? I do have a HUD consultant that I work with for the upgrade figures. That's Peter Lustig over with Professional Home Inspections. And then as far as the future value of 710, we do have some comparables. 4743 North London sold recently for 726. 5259 Leland sold for 765. And then, of course, right next to this property, 5427 on Wilson sold for 795,000. So here is, let me show you how close these comps already pulled them up. You can see here's our subject property at number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So these are all nearby. It's a great opportunity. We're just giving you some preliminary number, but if anybody is interested or you know anybody interested in this area, please reach out and we can talk about some more specific details.